We'll go ahead and ease ourselves back into our chair, finding a nice comfortable position for ourselves to practice a little bit of deep breathing. When you find that position in your chair where your body is erect, so you're not completely too relaxed in your core, but you are relaxed through your body, relaxed through your legs, relaxed through your arms, and most importantly, relaxed through your mind. You can then close your eyes and start to slow the pace of the class, slow the pace of your life, because as we know, most of our life is trained to constantly go. So doing this deliberately is difficult, but necessary. Necessary for inner peace, not just in our moment right now, but also for the rest of our lives. Let's bring our awareness all together as a class into the area around our body, not bringing attention to anything outside of our class. This could be people, places, things. Our focus, our pure awareness, is on the emptiness of space that consumes our entire body, all around us, as we breathe. And the more you breathe and feel that sense of awareness be brought directly to the area around your body, you become more centered, more grounded, and more relaxed. You start to feel as if your body becomes weightless, your mind begins to quiet, and you become fully aware of awareness itself. And the more you sit in this presence of emptiness around your entire body, you become even more aware. Let's take 3 breaths together, nice and carefully. Take a big inhale, fill your lungs, and then slowly relax, relax, relax. Let's do another one. Inhale. And relax all of that breath. One more inhale. And you relax into that awareness of all of the space around you, that infinite space that never truly ends, as it goes on forever. How big is that space around you? Can you be aware How big does it really get? Breathe in deeply and breathe out. And as you sit in this place of awareness, this is a great time to move into a sense of well-being, move into a sense of peace, and to let go of all of those limited emotions that we feel: guilt, shame, fear, worry, struggle, sadness. Those emotions don't have a place here. Because right now, as you sit and breathe and become even more relaxed, you have all the power to create everything you need inside of you. Feeling joy, feeling peace, feeling abundance, feeling courage. What do these feel like? What if you had all of the abundance, all of the courage, all of the joy and peace inside of you right now? What if everything, every ounce of that energy filled you up to the point where you don't even have any more space for joy? Let these emotions flow within you. Become free, alive, at the sense of being complete, being one, and knowing that you have everything you need in this current moment. Take this feeling and continue to remind yourself, what does it feel like to have everything you ever wanted given to you right now? And as you ponder this and truly let every cell in your body feel it, we're going to take some time. Take some time in our own thoughts to feel it and let the energy of that emotion flow completely within our body. Go ahead and take some time to breathe and feel alive. And as we come out of that sample of what the world can feel like to you all the time, it is a great reminder that the feeling that you felt and feel right now is always within you, and that with just a few moments of focused effort and time away from the hurriness of life, you can get back here almost immediately. Let's take our final breath together as a class. Gently fill your lungs with air, feeling the energy of peace surrounding you. And then exhale, exhale, exhale. When you are comfortable and ready, you may open your eyes back to the center of class, as we are all finished for the day. Thank you all for coming. Have an awesome, peaceful rest of the day and week.